This is question 54. It says, what is the slope of the line? Slope, again, we've been covering this in the past couple questions, is rise over run, or the change in y's, y2 minus y1, over the change in x's, x2 minus x1. So I'll use both methods here. I am going to look for points that are exactly on this line, and I'm looking a little closer at this graph. This one might throw you off a little bit. That's just a little bit beneath the crosshairs of the grid lines right there. So it looks like right here is a point that lies right on the grid lines, right at the intersection of those grid lines and right here. So it looks like we have the x-intercept and the y-intercept. We can use those points to calculate the slope. So if I use the rise over run method, and I just look at the graph, I'm going to move left to right. I think that's easiest. So my rise, it's going from 0 up to 5. That's a rise of 5. And then it's going from -7 over to 0. That's a run of 7. So I've got +5 over +7. That would be my final answer using that method. If I wanted to use the other method, where you pick 2 points and do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, I could do that. I could use this. I could call this x1, y1. I could call this x2, y2, and calculate it from there. So I would have 5 minus 0, y2 minus y1, over 0 minus -7, x2 minus x1. Minus a negative would become positive. You'd have 5 on the top over 7 on the bottom. So either way you do it, choice C is your final answer.